Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. So I am going to teach you how to get your home to smell like Halloween using Bath and Body Works body cream. This is how I dust my furniture. You ready? Body Happy Tuesday! Oh my goodness, you guys, how'd you like the little teaser? I decided to do an intro teaser for my video. I actually have another video clip that I'm going to show you. So, today's video, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to tell you guys this, is all about making your house smell like Bath and Body Works using body cream. I've been doing this for almost 15 years now, I think. So about 15 years ago, I ran out of Lemon Pledge, thank goodness. I don't like the spray furniture polish. I kind of like the way it looks, but I just don't like the aerosol. I don't like the spray. I'm not a huge fan of furniture polish. And I had a body cream. It was Twisted Peppermint. And I thought, you know what? Wonder what would happen if I used a washcloth, put a little Twisted Peppermint on, and cleaned my furniture. Dusted it. It worked. It looked amazing. I have not looked back. This is what I use on my furniture. I don't know why it works, but it works. So, as you all know, Bath & Body Works does now have the new Ultimate Hydration Cream with the hyaluronic acid. It works just as well. I see no difference in the formulas. So here's what I do. I grab a washcloth. I like the fluffy ones a little bit better. I have a stack of these for cleaning. And then what I do is I pick my favorite scent. In the spring, I do florals. I know florals for me. I like smelling florals in the spring, fresh cut lilacs. In the fall, I do all kinds of Halloween scents. Winter, I switch to Christmas. I switch off through all the seasons. So I'm going to actually show my little video, and then we're going to talk more about dusting your furniture. You ready? Okay, here we go. Wicked Vanilla Woods. My house is going to smell amazing and Halloweeny. Check it out. I got some of my Halloween decorations over here. So all I'm going to do is take a little bit of the Wicked Vanilla Woods body cream, put it on my washcloth. You don't have to be neat or anything. Take the washcloth, and then you're going to go over to your bookshelf or your furniture and just rub it on. It's a little bit streaky in the beginning. You're going to see it on the furniture. Just keep rubbing. You're going to get that all worked in. And then what I do is I flip it over and I just give it a quick rub down. I'm getting all of the dust off, and it leaves a really nice finish to this. That's it. There's no magic. It's super easy. So, you want your house to smell like sweet cinnamon pumpkin? You put a little drop on here. Don't use too much, otherwise it's going to get really goopy. That's about good. Rub it all over the furniture, turn it over, rub it off. That's it. Honestly, I've been doing this to every room in my house for 15 years. Sometimes I use Fairy Tale now. Like I'll put Fairy Tale in the bedroom. I'll put Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin in the living room, Wicked Vanilla Woods in the dining room. I got a whole mess of Halloween scents all over the place. My house smells fresh, it smells clean, and it's dust free because the cream, when you wipe it off on the other side, is going to pick up any dust. I feel like this works 100 times better than furniture polish, and you get that wonderful Bath & Body Works scent going on. I don't have super expensive furniture. I have a lot of bookcases from like Target. I have a pretty nice bedroom set. I have a nice dining room table. I've used it on my nicer furniture. I've used it on my cheap furniture. It doesn't matter. It works really well. My only advice is if you have a really high-end piece of furniture, maybe test it on one of the areas first just to make sure. But like I said, I've been using it on my TV stand. I use it on the shelves that I have built into my wall. I have like a sleigh bed, use it all over the bed. It works. It just absolutely works really well. I have a really old cedar chest. It's really scratched on top. And then once I put the body cream on and rub it off, it looks a lot shinier and newer, and the scratches are like gone for a while. So I use it for that too. But I have found that this is the absolute best way to bring the Bath and Body Works scents into your home. Sometimes you don't have time to light a candle, or you just want to quickly clean. It's like another layer. So what I do sometimes is, I might use Wicked Vanilla Woods in my dining room, clean all my furniture, I light up a fall candle, and then you get that layer of scent going on, and my house smells amazing, seriously. So there's not a lot of trick to this. It's just literally something I thought of, and I've been doing it for 15 years, and it works really, really well. So let me know if you've tried it. I know a lot of my viewers have tried this with success. So if you're curious, I would grab some scents. Dark Kiss, Into the Night, any of the apple scents, Champagne Apple and Honey. These are good scents to kind of bring fall into your home, and then Christmas. Oh my goodness. There's nothing better than dusting your furniture with Twisted Peppermint. So anyway, thank you as always for watching. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.